AWS Config is a powerful service that helps you track, audit, and evaluate the configuration of your AWS resources. It provides continuous monitoring of resource configurations to ensure compliance and security across your cloud infrastructure. Managing cloud infrastructure at scale presents a significant challenge. It becomes extremely difficult to track configuration changes across hundreds or thousands of AWS resources and maintain compliance with security standards. AWS Config solves this by continuously recording resource configurations and automatically evaluating them against your desired standards, giving you complete visibility and control. AWS Config offers 4 core capabilities. First, it provides configuration recording that captures the current state of your resources and tracks any changes. Second, it maintains a historical timeline, giving you a complete audit trail of all configuration changes over time. Third, it performs compliance evaluation by automatically checking resources against your defined rules. And fourth, it delivers change notifications, alerting you whenever configurations drift from your desired state. The configuration recorder is the component that detects and records resource changes across your AWS environment. You have flexible recording options. You can choose to record all supported resources in a region, select specific resource types only, or even record global resources like IAM roles. This flexibility allows you to tailor monitoring to your specific needs. AWS Config Rules define the desired configurations for compliance evaluation. There are 2 types of rules. Managed rules are pre-built by AWS for common compliance scenarios, such as ensuring S3 bucket encryption or verifying required tags. Custom rules allow you to create your own evaluation logic using Lambda functions, perfect for implementing organization-specific policies and requirements. Config rules can be triggered in different ways. Configuration change triggers evaluate rules whenever a resource is modified. Periodic triggers run at scheduled intervals, such as every 1, 3, 6, 12, or 24 hours, regardless of changes. You can also define the scope to specify which resource types or identifiers the rule should monitor. Finally, hybrid triggers combine configuration changes with periodic evaluation for comprehensive monitoring. When AWS Config evaluates a resource, it assigns one of 3 compliance statuses. Compliant means the resource meets all rule requirements. Non-compliant indicates the resource violates one or more rules and needs attention. Not applicable means the rule does not apply to that particular resource type or configuration. AWS Config integrates with other AWS services for data management. Configuration, snapshots, and history are automatically stored in a designated S3 bucket, providing long-term retention for analysis and compliance reporting. Additionally, SNS topics can be configured to deliver real-time notifications whenever configuration changes occur or when compliance status changes, enabling immediate response to critical events. AWS Config serves several important use cases. For security auditing, you can track security group changes and identify unauthorized access configurations. For compliance reporting, it generates audit reports for regulatory standards like PCI DSS and HIPAA. In change management, it helps investigate incidents by reviewing resource configuration history. And for drift detection, it identifies when resources deviate from approved baseline configurations, maintaining consistency across your environment. AWS Config delivers 4 key benefits. It provides continuous visibility with a real-time view of resource configurations across all your AWS accounts and regions. It enables automated compliance, reducing manual audits by automatically evaluating against compliance standards. It offers historical analysis, giving you access to complete configuration history for troubleshooting and forensics. And it supports rapid response, allowing you to quickly identify and respond to configuration changes that might impact your security posture.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.